Hello traders, this is Leading Forex YouTube channel. We have technical analysis for you that is possibly going to tell you how the market is going to behave in the course of this new month. Today is 1st of August, the year 2020, Saturday of course. As I speak to you now, the market is closed, and so let's look at technical analysis of some currency pairs. The first one I would like us to look at is EURNZD, and if I switch to the monthly time frame, you will see that EURNZD has been on the downtrend and currently moving up. Currently it's on its way up. When you look at the monthly time frame, it's on its way up. So let's zoom to weekly, and just like I said, you can really see from the weekly time frame that yes, we can draw something here. Let's see, can we do something like this? Can we? Yes, even if not this, maybe we can take it from this one to this one. Currently this is what the market is doing. This is what the market is doing currently. All right, so it's on its way up. The same way, when you look at the top here, I think you can connect that to, this is a top here and then a top here. I think you can connect this too, right? Now if this is what is happening, let's switch to the daily time frame and see what it is. The picture is becoming clearer with the daily time frame. So as you can see, the market has been on the up move in terms of what? Daily time frame. Now let me take this trend line off now that you have seen what is clearly happening. Now this is where we'll apply technical analysis. Now we're going to take notice of the tops here. Let me come down here. This is the last time when EURNZD made its way all down, and it touched here and currently making its way back up. So that is how we're going to analyze the market. All right, so currently this is what it is, right? Good. Now the first thing you have to do is to take notice of the tops. The tops here, this is going to be the higher highs starting from here, here, and then that ends it. So let's take a notice of it. So this is the first one here. We are actually looking at where the markets closed. Taking this one here, we're taking the next one here, then we take the next one here, then we take the next one down here, which is somewhere here. Yeah, and then I think that ends it. All right, these are the tops that we can look at. This first top, another top here, another top here, another top here, and then finally maybe this top here. But I think this is the higher one, so we may have to ignore this, or we can still take this one, which is also another top here. All right, good. So this is what we see on the daily, right? Let me take this one to off. Now we know the direction of the market currently, so we are only looking at the tops. When it started drawing down, these were the tops, right? Good. Now let's try to make it big, then you can see it well. So you see, these were the tops. Top here, top here, top here, and then the top here. So you can see the tops, right? Good. Now if you are a trader and you want to trade reversal, the very first thing you must take notice of is the last top. The last top here, which is here. Okay, so as a trader, what you need to do is that you would make sure that if this trade is reversing back up, you take note of the last top over here. Now the last top over here is also a resistance. So you can see from here, this was where the resistance actually got broken. So this candle broke the resistance, and then sorry, the support. By then it was a support here, this candle broke and closed somewhere here, and then it came all the way down. Now, so this becomes your last resistance, or the last resistance, or the last stop you can see. So before you can take this trade as a buy officially, to see this trend as a buy, then you need to take notice of the tops. So the first stop here, if we look at it, it got broken 2 days ago. If this was Friday, this is Thursday. So on Wednesday, this trade that was on the 29th, right? Yes, Wednesday would have been 29th or 28th. Yes, 28th. This trade got broken, and then it broke through this line. This first stop was broken. See, it closed above the line, which showed that now that this line is broken officially, it is going to make its way up to the second top, which is this one. So the target is going to be the second top. So officially that this line is broken, this top is broken, the price got broken. So you can see it clear. If not, maybe let me make it bigger. Good. So you can see it got broken. This is the last top we saw. It broke through it. You see, it closed above that top, which means that this trend is going to make its way up to the second top. And once it reaches the second top here, we may have a possibility of a reversal that will bring back to test this resistance that was broken. And at that point, this resistance is now going to be your support. Now that it is broken, it is now going to be your support. The first stop, which was broken here, which was a resistance, is now going to be termed as a support. So the next resistance to look at is here. So once this is also broken, then we can look at our next resistance or our next stop, which is here. But currently, our next target is the next stop here. So currently, we're looking at a target of 1.7966. That is where we're looking at. The price is currently at 1.7758. 17758. So we're looking at 17966, which is about 250 pips. About 200 pips. Let's say about 200 pips. So currently we are looking at this trade to go up and test this resistance. And once this resistance is not broken, then we will see what we call a reversal to come and test this support, which has been broken, which was a resistance. And once it comes to test it, then we will be looking at something again. Either it will test it and reverse back, or it will break through this support and then it will come back down again. But once it breaks through this, it will come back down. But once it tests here and then the support holds, then this is no more going to be the target. The target is going to be this one, which is the next stop here. So this is how we're going to look at this trade for this month. This EURNZD. This is on the daily time frame. So we're looking at our next target. Now, if I switch to maybe 4-hour time frame, you might see it clearer than you are seeing it here. Take note of the tops again. This is 4-hour. This was our top, right? This top got broken, and then currently it's making its way up to this one, which I showed you on the daily. This is the next top we are targeting. Once it is also broken, then we'll look at our next stop here, which is this. But if this is not broken, then this trade will come back down to test this support now here. Once it tests this support, then it will make its way officially back up, break through this resistance, and then go and test this one, which is the next support, the next resistance up here. So this is what to expect with EURNZD. EURNZD. I want all of you to watch it and take notice of it. So currently we are in an uptrend. We are in an uptrend. and our next stop we are looking at 1.7966. That is our next stop, this line, which is the next stop here. So 1.7966, that is our next target. Once this is broken on the daily time frame, always use the daily time frame to confirm the break. Do not use any other time frame to confirm a break. Use the daily time frame to confirm the break. So as you can see, it broke through here, it closed here, right? Maybe even if I switch to the candlestick pattern, the candles, you see it broke through here. This is candles. It broke through here, and then it's on its way up. It is on its way up to test the next stop here. So if I switch back to the bar, it's still the same. It broke here and it's on its way up. So this is how you can look at this market. Okay, this is how you can look at it. This is how you can look at it. All right, so this is Leading Forex. This pure technical analysis. We have to keep it in mind and watch out for the best entries for EURNZD. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to this channel if you want more of technical analysis to be able to help you trade on your own and become a good trader. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. Thank you.